Chapter 7 Computer Data Storage. Just like you remember so many things in your mind, computer can also store a lot of data and information. Computer stores data in two forms, temporary and permanent. Data that is stored in a temporary form is lost once the computer is shut down. Data which needs to be used again is stored in permanent form. Permanent data is stored on specialized storage devices like read-only memory and disks. Storage devices are also part of computer memory. Examples: RAM, ROM, disks, and flash drives or pen drives, etc. Types of storage devices. There are two types of storage devices: primary or internal storage, secondary or external storage. Primary storage device. Primary storage stores data and instructions for the programs which are currently in use. This storage is primarily used by the CPU. Primary storage consists of two different memory devices, ROM and RAM. ROM. It stores the basic instructions to boot the computer. It stores the data permanently. RAM. It is also known as the computer memory. It stores the data temporarily. The CPU uses it to store the supporting files of the programs which are currently running on the computer. Secondary storage device. The secondary storage device is used to store the work done on a computer permanently. Some examples of the secondary storage devices are given below. The hard disk. The hard disk is the main secondary storage device of a computer. It is enclosed in a metal casing called hard disk drive. It is located inside the system unit. All the work you do on a computer by default gets stored in the hard disk. Hard disk can store a lot of data. The speed of data storage and reading from it is very fast as compared to other disks. Optical disk drives. Optical disks are circular and flat. They are inserted in optical disk drives for reading and writing the data. Data is written on their shiny surface. These can store video, audio, text, images, games, software, etc. Various types of optical disks are available which can store data ranging from 700 MB to 25 GB. They are described as below. CD-ROM. The CD is used to distribute music, movies, and programs. It can store data up to 700 MB. CDs come in three forms. CD, whose data cannot be erased, it is read-only. CD, which we can write only once. It is also called CD recordable. CD, which can be written as many times we need. It is called CD rewritable. DVD. It stands for Digital Versatile Disc. ALT can store data on both of its sides. It can store data from 4 GB to 17 GB. Bluray Disc. It is a new disc format. It stores up to 50 GB of data. This disc is very useful in storing modern movie formats like HD and games. The pen drive. A pen drive is an easy-to-use, small-sized storage device. It is plugged into the USB port of a computer. Pen drives are very popular external storage devices and are common nowadays. Presently, in a pen drive, we can store up to 64 GB data. USB ports. This port is used to connect an external device like pen drive to a computer. Memory card drive. A memory card is small and flat. It is used in the card drives of smartphones, laptops, digital music players, etc. It is useful in transferring data from one device to other. The smaller version of this card is called micro SD card. It can store data up to 512 GB or even more.